I'm in Santurce. This cat looks like he belongs to someone. He's got a collar. And I've put some food down, and they're very suspicious. No, there we are. Now they're eating. Now what's interesting is there's ducks here. And there's a very skinny cat. He's looking pretty hungry. The other cat walked away. He ran when he saw me coming down the street. I fed him last week. Oh, maybe he's got better food somewhere else. How about that? Yes. Oh dear. Oh dear, please. These cats look happy. And up the street there's a chicken running around, which is always very cool. Oh, he vanished. There he is. Oh, only one left eating. But sometimes they're just so starving and they just gobble up everything. And other times they just want to take their time. Look at this one, lying on the road. Look, he's walking under my legs. Hey, how are you? How are you? You feel better? Did you have some nice food? He's cuddling. That's nice. Okay. See what's happening here. 3 ducks. A lot of ducks. Boy, they're so starved for affection. Maybe they're not starved for affection. Maybe that's why they want to cuddle. Okay, I'm going to walk to the back. Oh, I startled you, didn't I? I'm sorry. Did I startle you? Or would you stop scratching all the time? Okay. What are you doing, huh? Boy, he's so itchy. Oh yeah, these 2 little ones are eating away. That's good. October 18th, 2023, in Santurce, Puerto Rico, and there's chickens up the road, a whole lot of them. Chickens never get old.